How long world's longest rain last? 10 days, 10 weeks, 10 months, 1 year or 2 year? No way. In fact, longest rain lasted for 3 years, and that too continuously. It didn't stop raining for a single day. It rained for the whole 881 days non-stop in the small town of America. If this is mesmerizing for you, then let me tell you, it's nothing. Rather, it rained even more heavily in the Hawaii city of America. It lasted only for 1 year, but its intensity was very high. Due to rain for 331 days, the entire city was flooded in water.